Hey, having multiple types of documents bundled into one can be such a pain to segregate and organize. Like 2 invoices, 8 purchase orders, and a couple of delivery orders, all in a single file, or maybe claims, hospital bills, outpatient receipts, settlement, and invoices, all in one. Every large enterprise in every industry faces challenges with bundled documents. Worry no more. Let me show you how to segregate and organize them just the way you want before scanning. Okay, first let us start by creating a queue. In this queue, we will start uploading the documents, naming it as collector. I've already created a group called document editor, so I'm just using it. The most important thing is to enable Upload Documents tab under Automations. This will create a tab called Uploaded in this queue. Now let's upload documents. We have successfully uploaded the documents. So this one has multiple POS invoices and delivery orders in it. This is a preview state where you can look at the documents, but let's quickly get into the document editor. This is our document editor screen. On the left, you can see the invoices that we just uploaded. Now we are going to work on this particular document, which has purchase orders, invoices, and delivery orders. Next, let's quickly preview all the docs. For that, I'm selecting all the documents first, and then clicking on Preview All. Here we can preview all the documents selected, and you can also perform the pre-processing work. For example, this page is in a different direction, so I'm going to rotate it anti-clockwise. Likewise, this page is also in a different direction. We can rotate it anti-clockwise. So this way, we can align documents. Also, we can flip them horizontally and vertically. Likewise, on a document level, it can also be done for all the documents centrally. We can rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, flip them vertically, and also make a duplicate or delete documents centrally. Now, there are a few color indicators here. If the eye icon on a specific page is clicked, and if the border is yellow without a tick mark, it means that it is in preview mode. You can preview it here. If the document has a tick mark and is in blue color, that means the document is selected to make an action. So here you can see one image selected from one document. When you perform an action, it happens only in the selected document, but not anywhere else. There's a third state where a document will be in yellow and will have a tick mark. This means the document is also in preview mode and also selected for an action. Fourth is when you click right, the color will become violet. This means the document is selected to make an action using right-click. Now let us go back and split the documents. In this example, like I said, we have purchase orders, delivery orders, and invoices. We are going to split them, so I'll have to group them first. So I have purchase orders here and 2 delivery orders here. So let me group the delivery orders together. Now I've moved documents within the parent document. These are all purchase orders, these 2 are delivery orders, and these are invoices. Now we'll have to split this into 3 documents, one with full of purchase orders, one with only delivery orders, and one with only invoices. So I'm choosing all the 14 documents. We have something called ranges for splitting. Since we are splitting into 3, I'll set the range to 3. If you notice, from page 1 to page 8 are purchase orders, so the first range will be from 1 to 8. 9 and 10 are delivery orders, so this range will be 9 and 10. 11 to 14 are invoices. Now when I click on split, the parent document will be split into 3 different documents. These are all purchase orders. Let me quickly rename them. These are delivery orders and these are invoices. Also, we can move pages within the 3 documents in this queue and in other queues as well. So that is possible. You can select all pages and move to another document too in one shot. POs can be moved to DOS and invoices. A set of documents can also be moved to different pages. Now that we have split, the next step is to move all of these to the queues. So before that, if you'd like to split this into 8 different pages, that is also possible. It all depends upon different requirements. Here, instead of custom ranges, I use fixed ranges and set the value to 8 because there are 8 purchase orders in one big document. So when I click on confirm, this will be split into 8, but let's not do that here. So here I have 3 documents, one full of POs, one full of DOS, one full of invoices. To move them to a queue, I'm clicking on confirm. So all POs will be moved to a queue called PO collector, and they'll be moved to the receive tab. Likewise, DOS will be moved to DO collector to the receive tab. Invoices will be moved to the invoice queue. When I click move all these documents will be moved to their respective queues and deleted from the collector queue. Let us quickly go to the scanning screen and then check. Let's go to the group that we have created. In the invoice queue, I can find the invoice we just split and moved. Here are the 4 pages that were created. Likewise, in the document editor group, you can find the PO and DO in the respective queues. So this way, you can split pages from a single big document into multiple documents. Likewise, you can also merge or edit documents from different queues as you like. Our document editor is a very flexible tool for all industries. Okay, let's say you want to merge pages from 2 to 3 different documents. Let's see how to do that. So here I have 2 documents. There are 2 ways of doing it. I create a document by clicking Add a Document by dragging and dropping it here, or bulk move it. This is one way to move multiple documents into a new document, or we can straight away select and move multiple pages from multiple documents. So here I've selected 6 pages from 2 documents, and I'm clicking on Create from Selected. So now all 6 are added to a fresh document. This way you can merge multiple pages from multiple documents into a single document. Thank you for your time. Enjoy processing data faster than ever.